So my study was exploring marijuana and craving in the brain. So there was a study that looked at 38 different people who were regular users of marijuana that were abstinent for 72 hours before the study was conducted. And they were given visual cues, tactile cues, such as holding an instrument that was used to use the drug, as well as video cues, and measured using an fMRI to see the different activation levels in the brain, in numerous parts of the brain, not limited to the cingulate gyrus and the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex. And what they found is that compared to neutral cues, when given the marijuana-related cues, that the activation levels are much higher in those reward-associated pathways for the marijuana-related cues. And this is not unique for marijuana use only. This is also similar results found in people who are using cocaine or who are alcohol dependent. So this study is important in discovering how to predict who is more likely to relapse after a given treatment for when they are marijuana dependent. And not so much treating marijuana dependence, but for finding a way to see who is more likely to relapse.